For this installation, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. The inner taillight is located above the reverse lights. Begin by opening the trunk. The taillight assembly is behind this trunk liner. There are 2 clips to remove. Pop out the middle of the clip with your screwdriver and you can pull it out. Peel back the liner to expose the back of the light housing. The inner tail light is this gray socket. We'll use some pliers to make reaching the bulb a little easier, and turn the socket counterclockwise. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED, and test it. Line up the tabs on the socket with the slots in the housing. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Put the trunk liner back and replace the clips. Pull up on the middle of the clip to close down the claws to make it easier to install. Push the clip in and then push in the middle to lock it. Now repeat those steps on the other side. Remove the 2 clips and peel back the liner. Turn the socket counterclockwise. Remove the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED, and test it. Install the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. Put the trunk liner back and replace the 2 clips. These new pure red LED bulbs really look great, and they totally outperform the incandescent bulbs.